One of the women, Miranda Lambert, called out for taking a selfie during a recent Las Vegas concert is speaking out. In a TikTok video posted Sunday, the country singer stopped singing her song Tin Man during a performance of her Velvet Rodeo Las Vegas residency to address a group of fans who weren't fully engaging in the live music experience. "I'm gonna stop right here for a sec, I'm sorry," Lambert said in the video. "These girls are worried about their selfie and not listening to the song. It's pissing me off a little bit. We're here to hear some country music tonight. I'm singing some country damn music," she continued, proceeding to start the song over again.